Hi, Melissa here with Impact Realty Group out of the Center Wellington area. It's been a while since I've done a video, and I thought today was a good day to show you all the cool things about our new listing at 176 North Queen St Elora. Let's check it out. Stunning pine floors, huge kitchen island to gather with your friends, leathered granite counters, drawer dishwashers, custom cabinetry, floor to ceiling, a coffee station, and the cooking area for the gourmet person in your family. Bright family room, white oak floors, walk out to the backyard. Mudroom is to die for. We got custom cubbies, 2 big closets, heated floors. Main floor powder room. Pine floors continue upstairs and into the primary bedroom. Spacious enough for a king-size bed. Generous walk-in closet. And walk out to second level balcony. 2 more bedrooms on this floor. Main bathroom, also with heated floors. This cool attic area could be 4th bedroom or office space, studio space. It's a great tucked away area. And head down into the basement where you'll find a family room and full bathroom. Great walk-in shower, rain head down here. Family room features this great stone wall and bar area. It's a separate entrance at the back that takes you to in-law suite. It's gorgeous, built by Bill Wyminga, a local builder. So up here we have white oak floors, gorgeous kitchen island, built-in appliances. It's a bathroom with a curbless shower, laundry. All these floors have hot water heat, and then the living area with the balcony. I feel like you're in the trees here, a little treehouse feeling. There's 1 bedroom up here, also has plenty of light. This covered front porch is a pretty great spot to spend some time looking out at other historic homes on the street. Beautiful stone walkway. Flagstone patio on the side. You can host friends for a fire. Just kind of see how big the addition is here on the back. It's a covered deck that comes out of the main floor family room. It's all nicely landscaped. Rocks and things. And there's a 1.5 car detached garage. It's the 2 side entrances, so this is into the 1 bedroom in-law suite and then to the main house. And the garage here. And driveway, plenty of parking, beautiful stone, low maintenance driveway. And circle back around to the front. Thanks for joining me today on this tour of this beautiful property. There'll be 3 bedrooms in the main house plus the loft. And then this back portion, which is the in-law suite, is 1 bedroom. Beautiful staircase to go down, and then we have an elevator that actually goes from the 2nd floor here down to the entrance, and then also has basement access. It's a pretty special property, I thought.